In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your iPhone location. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off head over to settings and then at the very top tap at your name. After that tap at Media and Purchases and then select View Account. On the next step it will ask you to enter your Apple ID password, and once you've done that tap at Sign In. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find country/region. If you tap on it, you will be able to change the country or region associated with this account. You can tap at Change Country or Region and then just select any region from that list. Just check mark it and then hit at Agree. Just keep in mind that you need a valid method of payment for the new country or region. That's how you can easily change iPhone location. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.